In this video, we're going to show how to enter data for two experimental conditions. So we first have to set the number of conditions to 2, and we will actually show how to import data from two different file formats. The first file that we will use is a so-called counts data file. So it contains a number of lines. The first line indicates the 2 says that there's 2 conditions, and the 6 indicates that there are 6 possible answers. So answers in the range from 0 to 5 in our case. The following lines, the first line is for the first condition, the second line is for the second condition, and then the other numbers are the number of observed values in each of the categories. The category values themselves are specified in this line, and the category boundaries are specified in the last line. To enter such data, we open the data dialog window. By default, it assumes that the data we're going to enter is discrete data, and so we're going to load counts data. So we're going to go to the data directory, which has this file. Double click on it, and we see the values which are identical to the values which are shown here. If we close the data dialog window, we can get cumulative histograms for the two different conditions. We can also request the corresponding regular distributions. The next data that we're going to input is in a different format. So in order to enter new data, we always go to number 0. So we open the data dialog window again. The data file in this case is a bit different. It contains one measurement per line, and the different colors correspond to different independent and dependent variables. For instance, the first column is the number indicating the participant. The second column is the condition that we're interested in, the experimental condition. So we will set the column which has the experimental condition to 2. The last column, column 4, has the actual observed values. So we're going to make that into 4. And the third column is actually measurements being done at 2 different days. So we could use that column to actually split the data set into 2 parts, mainly for Wednesday and Sunday measurements. So we can go ahead and load the file now. File has an extension of ILLMO, and again we can observe that the values do indeed correspond, and you can see that only the values for one of the days have been selected here. Once we close this, we actually get 2 outputs. So this is for the first selected day. So this is the cumulative histograms and the regular histogram for one day, and these are the values for the second day. That's it.